Hi guys, I just wanted to share with you some more beautiful Iowa countryside. I am on my way to pick up the lily of Lily Rose Blue from the barn of which Tootsie Roll, the Wonder Horse, is at. There is another horse show tomorrow. So, Tootsie was getting a pre-horse show bath and grooming today. So, anyway, my husband brought her out here because her parents were working, and today is his work from home day, and I have the week off because all my kids are here. Here is some crops here. Well, that's weeds. What you're seeing right now is weeds because I'm not tall enough. Here, we'll bring you back this way. Lovely country road. I have not been on this road when I have not seen some kind of creature. Pheasant, turkey, something. Here's a lovely farm. I think I'm gonna... This is a beautiful house. I'm gonna elongate the view here for a second. There we go. This is a beautiful house that they've redone. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I can just panoramic landscape. That, well, if you don't pardon my flamingo air freshener, but it's the video just isn't gonna pick up the beauty of this. It is so pretty. So pretty. Oh, there's somebody coming the other way here, so I may have to quit filming. But here's another farm on this other side. So we had a horse show last Saturday, of which went really well. Granddaughter's team took home the team prize. That was fantastic. Granddaughter has, since she has finished her freshman year, she's moved up to the advanced class. So a lot stiffer competition. But she's holding her own. We'll see how this horse show goes this week. So we have two farms, one on each side here. It's interesting. Like I said, all my kids are home. So there's been lots of swimming. There's been, oh gosh, what all have we done? Why is my brain failing me? We went to a animal sanctuary. Oh, here, sorry, I took you over really quick. I don't know if you got to see them or not. There were some sheep. Here's some beautiful tall corn. So there's a saying that the corn should be as high as your knee on the 4th of July. And I'd say this corn is a lot taller than that. Well, let's see. Monday, what did we do? So we went to the animal sanctuary on Sunday. It's very inspiring and also very sad. Some of the stories that those animals were rescued from are just heartbreaking. But we did that. conditioning went out. That's not cool in Iowa in the summertime. Luckily, it's not been super hot these last couple of days. But the air quality here is not good because of the Canadian wildfires. So that's not been good. So I have asthma and allergies, and my one daughter does too. So that's been challenging. There's a lovely bridge. I wanted to say I don't have my sheet with me because I wasn't planning on doing a video. I have not been on YouTube to do any kind of meaningful work for days and days and days. So yesterday I had a few moments when the kids were at the pool that I and my adult children were working remotely. So I got on there and commented back. So I will do another video and talk about that. But thank you for all your kind comments and your patience with me for not being very good about responding. So hopefully after this week, I do have another work trip next week. Oh my goodness, it's just crazy. And then comes our fair time. July is just ridiculous, guys, ridiculous. Hopefully August, my life will get back to more normal, if there is such a thing. Hopefully there is. Oh, here's a horse. Here's this is one of the pastures where there are horses. I don't know why there's only one here. I don't recognize this horse right off the top. Got a fly mask. Here is the barn. I'm gonna there's nobody behind me. I'm gonna stop for a second and zoom in and just let you guys see. So this is the barn where Tootsie Roll, the Wonder Horse, lives. There's these are some of the older horses that are out in this pasture. So the mares are on the side that you can see here, and the oh, my brain, guys, the boy horses, my brain can't think, are on the other side. So this is where Tootsie and granddaughter spend a lot of their time. Granddaughter also works here because they do horse camps in the summer. Okay, we're gonna come back around. What else can I talk about? We had a great time last night. We went out with friends, a group of friends last night. Some of my daughter's friends, one of my local son-in-law, his parents came out with us too. We went out to eat. We did just had a great time together. Okay, this is shaky road. Shaky road. Look at this beautiful cornfields. Beautiful. Here we come up this road. Probably a boring video for you guys, but I like to share the beauty. What I think is one of the beautiful parts of Iowa. And here we have all these beautiful sunflower. Okay. And I'm also going to stop, zoom in and see all the beautiful horses. I just love them. Again, for those of you who watch my channel, you know I love horses. And now you're going to get to see the horse farm. horses down there in the pasture. Isn't that lovely? All right. I'm gonna move. Okay, we're gonna go. There's the barn. And there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and stop filming right now. And thank you for watching, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.